Team members share things with each other, right? That includes patient exam rooms, diagnostic equipment, microscopes, and other office resources your practice uses. To keep communication open as to who's using what when, you can manage these shared resources right from your calendar in Atlas so everyone's on the same page. The first thing you need to do in Atlas is create the actual resource so you can share it. Start off by going to your calendar. In the upper right corner, click on the Settings cog and then select Shared Resources from the drop-down options. From there, remove an existing resource by clicking the red X, or type in a new resource to add it to the list. Then save your changes. Now, how do you actually use it? Simply schedule a new appointment like usual by clicking the plus sign icon in the upper right or double-clicking the date square. Fill in all the info and select your shared resource from the drop-down menu. There are even alerts in place to let you know if your resource has already been reserved, so no double booking. Thanks for watching. If you have additional questions on how to manage shared resources within your practice, shoot an email to support@Atlas.md.